Hello YouTube world. This is a quick unboxing of this Tracker M2, which is an M2 2280 laptop and PC computer locator. And this is an Apple Find My app-based PC tracker, yeah, you can say, because obviously for example, MacBooks, they don't have any ports. So this is for PC. And is also using Apple Find My. So you need to have some kind of iOS device, iPhone, iPad, something like that. So if you are an Android user, this is not for you. And if you have a MacBook or something like that, I think you already have Find My integrated. Okay, so this is how the actual box looks like. Let's open it up here. And we have some instructions here before you install. Wash and dry your hands, blah, blah, blah. Installing computer, yeah. Locate an available M2. So you need to have a free M2 slot in your, do you see? Yeah. So this is primarily, I think, for high-end PCs, gaming laptops. It could be workstation, this kind of stuff. Power Apple device, main tracking features here. Okay, this is a tracker. Technical specifications. And taking it out here. So, yeah, as I said, this is an M2 interface here. And the advantage with this tracker, yeah, I mean, compared to having like an Airtag inside your laptop, if you can fit one, is that this takes the power from the laptop or the computer itself. So you don't need to worry about power. But in case the laptop or computer is off, there is also this backup battery. So this is also a very skinny battery, so maybe the battery time is not the same as the Airtag, but most likely, yeah, you will have your laptop on most of the time, so the battery will not be used in the same way. And here is a speaker, backside here, and if I pull this tab here, yeah, it turns on here, yeah, blue indicator here. And now I think it's ready in pair mode. So now you can track it or add it to your iPhone or iPad. Okay, so this was a short unboxing of the M2 tracker. Last thing here, I think this is the first of its kind. I think this is something pretty unusual. For you that has a PC, I think this is a pretty cool solution. Okay, thanks for watching.